Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. The students, you should have in your hands the textbook of English grade 1 along with the English workbook grade 1, and we have uploaded the resource packs for English grade 1 for the guidance of principals, teachers and parents, so that it can be very handily helping out the children that how they are going to study the chapters in an orderly manner. And after that, we are providing summer packs that from them you can have the homeworks, the summer task, because nowadays the schools are closed and the children are at home. First of all, we have the study plan for chapter 1, class 1 and lecture 1. So, here is a plan of study for you. We have divided chapter number 1 in 4 parts to facilitate you, and for that purpose, the chapter first is divided into 4 lectures. The first lecture is of grammar, and today we will be conducting the lecture first, and here you are clearly seeing that there is use of a and the term vowels has been discussed. So before going to the usage of a and, we will be studying that what are basically vowels. So coming to the next slide, and we are doing for the purpose of the lesson 1, that is Allah is one. But before going to start the poem, we are going to study the grammar portion, and this is the alphabets. So out of 26 alphabets, there are certain alphabets that are known to be and that are called as what? Vowels. These alphabets are A, the second one is E, that is A, E, I, O and U. These 5 alphabets out of 26 are known as vowels, and the rest of them are known as consonants. So I am repeating once again that 5 alphabets, that is A, I, E, O and U, that are called vowels, and the rest of the alphabets are known as consonants. So now we will be discussing that where A is used and where N is used. So for that purpose, we are going to simplify things for you people, that A is used before words which start with consonant sounds. So the term consonant came here. So what does it mean? It means that whenever we have a sound of what? Consonant, we will be using A before that. And secondly, an is used before the words which have vowel sounds. So whenever we have those 5 mentioned alphabets that are termed as vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, so before that an shall be used. So now we are going to discuss some of the examples in order to apply our mentioned things. So first of all, this is an apple. This is an apple. So you are hearing the sound of an. Why? Because apple is a sound of what? vowel. It is sounding like what? Vowel. That is why an is used. So the next example is, he is a good teacher. Now very simply, you are straight away seeing that a is used, not an is used. And why? Because the sound is good and it is starting from the word G, which is a consonant, so it sounds like consonant. That is why a is used. The next example is, it is an elephant. So straight away, elephant. Elephant again comes in the category of what? Vowels. What? Vowels. So that is why elephant sounds from the E of alphabet, which comes in vowel, and it sounds like vowel. That is why an is used. The next example is, this is an ink pot. Again, you are seeing the ink pot that it starts with what? With vowel, and it sounds like vowel sound. Next one is, there is an owl in the zoo. There is an owl in the zoo. So, owl is a vowel sound. That is why an is used before the word. The next example is, there is an umbrella. Now straight away, an is after method using in which form? In the form of before a word that sounds like vowel. The next one is, this is a university. Now you are hearing first time that the alphabet is what? Vowel. But it doesn't sound like vowels, because if you disintegrate university, it is termed as what? U-ni-ver-city. Now U is not the sound of vowel. That is why here it is categorized in what? In consonant, and A is used in this manner. So students, we are going towards our next slide, and this is the task that we will be going to do now. So you should have your books in your hand. So straight away you have to fill in the blanks with the articles of a and an. As we have practiced in the previous slides that a is used where? Before vowels? No. There is something that you people are missing. A is not used. An is used before vowel, and A is used before consonants. So in this manner, the first statement is what? My father is dash principal. Now, if you can hear the principal is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound. So here what will be coming? Here is a principal. My father is a principal. In the same way, the second sentence is, this is dash English book. Now English is a word that sounds like vowel, English. So this is an English book. The next one is I have dash computer. So computer straight away doesn't sound like vowel. So here A will came. The next one is she likes to eat dash omelette. Now omelette sounds like vowel, that is why N is standing here. And the last one is I have dash friend. So friend is not a vowel sound. So that is why here A will came. I have a friend. So students, there is another activity for you people, and that is your homework. So as we have studied the use of a and an and what are vowels and consonants, so you should have keep in your mind that before a vowel what should be used? And before consonant a will be used. So this is your homework, that read the statement and write the correct option in the given place with the help of your siblings. So you can figure out all these statements with the help of your parents, with the help of your siblings. I have dash apple in my hand. What is the right answer? This is your homework. Anaya is dash good girl. Which one will be the answer? Lahore is dash historical city. A or N? What does it mean? Historical is what? Vowel or consonant? You have to keep in mind that before university, what we have used? I am dash Muslim. Again, which one will be used? And my father has dash X. So this is, students, your homework. And thank you so much for today's class. Good luck and Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.